Hey, this is Steve with RV to Cycle. Today we're going to do the second of our test on bike alarm. So what do you get when you open the box? An alarm, a remote control, and this is a two-part package. You also get a screwdriver for accessing the battery compartment on both these guys, a couple of zip ties for mounting the alarm, or if you prefer to use double-sided tape, there are two pieces of double-sided tape and a little squeegee, if you will. In addition to that are the instructions, and it's a little booklet. As you can see, it's multi-pages, front and back. So I have right back here number 2 bike alarm, and we're going to compare it again with the Cycliq bike alarm. So first we're going to engage this alarm, and we do that using the Cycliq app. Okay, that alarm's turned on, and I just lost my helper, and it would be really great to have my helper here to turn these alarms off because they are really loud. I gotta go see if I can find her. First we're gonna push the round button to engage it, and it should have one more. Okay, now it's armed.
You told me that's the one that shuts it off, right?
Yeah, I guess maybe I told you the wrong button, so
I don't know which button it is.
I think it's the one below the round one.
The unlock button?
Yeah, I think so. So if I was going to try to steal this, first I have to undo this.
They all went off.
But this one stopped.
Oh, I pushed the button.
Oh.
No. I don't know which button I'm supposed to push to turn it off.
What? I can't hear anything.
I think that one on the back works.
Alright, but we got to give it another try. So.
Oh yeah, sure.
Well, you said you started pushing buttons, so.
But I don't know which one turns it off. I pushed the round one, it didn't turn off.
There are instructions with this, and you read all the instructions. So if I was going to try to steal this bike, the first thing I have to do is I have to undo this. I mean, there's no other way, because this thing is locked in, and the skewer won't turn while it's locked. I mean, it's just too tight. Okay, so I think you get the idea. We're going to keep these.
I think so.
Now, for a couple reasons. Number one, it has sensitivity settings. It has settings for how loud it is, and it has a remote control.
Press and hold
the unlock button. The blue light will go off, and then the blue light comes back on.
Okay. To adjust the sensitivity, press the key continuously from high to low in cycle with 7 adjustable levels.
There's one. Now, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. 8. Now you're back to the start.
Yep.
So that's how you adjust the sensitivity.
So you stop at whichever sensitivity you're looking for.
That is correct.
Okay. We're setting it for the volume. So push this first.
Hold it. Keep holding. Keep holding. Keep holding. Now you can set the volume.
So
3 levels. 1, 2, 3. Go back to the loudest one.
That's
loudest. What we want.
Yeah.
Okay. It has a remote control, so you don't have to worry about, if you keep them covered like we do, you don't have to worry about reaching up under and turning things on. Here's the downside, is this is put on with zip ties. So here you can see I've got it zip tied. So I've got a couple, one is here and the other one's at the top. And it has loops to run the zip ties through. You'd want to carry an extra supply of zip ties, number one, or you could put it on here
somewhere
so that it stays permanently. I would put it here on the seat, because one of the things that we learned from that from our first test was that the distance from the tray up makes a difference. Because if you have it low, if you have it closer to the tray, when the bike moves, it just doesn't move as much. So up here, if you move it half an inch here, it's going to move a significant greater amount up here, and that's what sets it off, is the movement. If you have a rack like this, or even if you have a rack that's hitch mount, doesn't really matter, bumper mount, you're going to want to put the alarm at the higher elevation. So if you can connect it to the bottom of your seat, that's going to be your best bet. That's it for now. Hope you got something out of this. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you later. Bye-bye.